Introduce highlight features or overview summary for VOLBRIAR 20V Cordless Hedge Trimmer. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include 20 volts 2 pieces 4.0 amp-hour battery system, cordless trimming freedom, includes 2-pack 4.0 amp-hour lithium-ion batteries and fast charger, delivering up to 180 minutes of continuous runtime for full yard trimming. Fully compatible with all VOLBRIAR 20V max power tools. No gas, oil, emissions, or tangled cords, guaranteed reliable start every time. Professional dual action blade, powerful clean cuts. High efficiency pure copper motor paired with a 22 inches laser cut dual action blade for smooth, low vibration, snag-free cuts. Easily slices through branches up to 3/4 inches thick, ideal for hedges, shrubs, fruit twigs, and garden greenery. Hardened steel retains long-lasting sharpness. Ergonomic lightweight design, neighbor-friendly operation. Ergonomic wraparound front handle and soft non-slip rear grip for a secure, strain-free hold in all trimming positions. Weighs only 5 pounds to reduce arm fatigue, friendly for beginners and elderly users. Ultra-quiet 90 decibels operation won't disturb family or neighbors. Multi-layer safety protection, peace of mind use. Dual button safety start system prevents accidental activation for maximum user safety. Full coverage hand guard shields hands from flying debris and branch splashes. Included heavy-duty blade cover protects the cutting edge during storage and transport. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.